Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the ChatGPT application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ChatGPT app on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the sign up as well as the login and the continue with Google button. If you have created your account using your Google account, you can tap on continue with Google and you will be allowed to select your Google account in order to log in using a shortcut. You may also tap on the login button, which will open up the login portal. Now from here you can just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account. Then tap on the continue button and you will now be asked to enter your account password. Go ahead and type in the password that you have set for your account underneath within the password box. And then you can tap on the continue button and you will be logged into your ChatGPT account within the application right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the forgot password button in order to use your email address to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the ChatGPT application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.